Fred and Danny from HB&G. We're here today to show you how easy it is to install an HB&G SmartColumn. Okay, so let's review our material list. First off, we've got an 8-foot SmartColumn right here, as you see. You'll need a pressure-treated 4x4 post and these two brackets to complete the assembly. The brackets and the post are not included with the SmartColumn. And the unique thing about the SmartColumn, it's a little bit different than a traditional column. You can actually leave the cardboard wrap on there to protect the column before it gets installed. As you can see, this is the port where we are going to install the SmartColumn. Now you order a SmartColumn by the actual rough opening size, but the column itself will be shorter than that, and you'll see how that works when we do the installation. Our next step is going to be determine where we want to place the column. Once we figure that out, we've got our top bracket in, and now we just have to put the bottom bracket in. Now that we have our top bracket installed, we're going to drop a plumb bob to make sure it's going to be square when we install the SmartColumn.
That needs to come down just a little bit then. All right. All right.
And if it's square besides it.
Now we're going to install our bottom bracket. Everything's squared up. So now we're actually going to measure the post and cut it to size, less the distance that's equivalent in those two brackets there. Once we do that, we're going to install the post to the column. So we're actually going to use screws to fasten our post to the column, but you can also use a pneumatic finishing nailer as well. Pre-drill your holes, like Danny's doing right here.
If I can get around this other screw.
So now that we have our screw holes drilled, we're going to set the entire SmartColumn into the brackets. And we'll screw the post into the brackets. So this is our installed SmartColumn with the cardboard on for protection until it's time to paint. So now we're going to remove the cardboard and slide the cap and bases into place. And there you have it. So once you remove all the cardboard, the caps and bases simply slide up or down and into place. So now, the only thing you have to do is install a trim screw, caulk the cap and base around the column, and you've got a completed smart column from HB&G.